Hi, you beautiful soul. Miti is back with another unpack, and I actually unpacked it already because I only recorded this video, but I had issue with the audio. Looks like my external mic is broken. So, well, Christmas is coming. I might get one. Anyways, so I have received new heat transfers samples from Target Transfers this time. Received in this, yeah, that's it. If you remember, I had samples from Supa Colour, which I can link somewhere the video if you like to watch it. I don't think this video going to be that long, for one, because that was one of my first like real action for having some physical things for the brand, as in to move forward with creating it. And I believe that was a few months ago now, like 3 at least or something, which is scary because it looks like I don't do much of a progress by the time it's just flying like that. And that sometimes, trust me, sometimes I get really upset about myself that I don't do shit. I don't see the progress, and that really scares me. Anyways, what's the difference I already have as a first impression from this company and Supa Colour? Supa Colour was free to order a sample. I got free stuff, as in I got the sack back, or I don't even know how to call it, a shirt. And even after me sharing the video about unpacking the sample, they followed me on social media. And I believe me having like 30 something or 40 subscribers and not many views yet, a company like them feels the value, or I don't know, like that they to follow me. That's all. If you look at people who are into this business already a long time, they have millions of views or so, and I don't know how many thousand or 10,000, hundreds of thousands of followers or subscribers. Like, I understand, but for me, anyways, I don't want to, that's going to change. That's going to change. I'm positive over that. The key is consistency. Anyways, but with the Target Transfers, I had to pay for this. I got, I believe, less of the samples, maybe similar. Like, I got one samples of this type, and if I doing it wrong, I mean, I cannot try it again, because this is the first time I'm going to do such things. Maybe a similar quantity I got, but it looks smaller. And the other one now, it's in the studio, which I have one already because I have built it. Not completed yet, but it's getting there. So I had to pay for these, and almost like half of the price of delivering it, which already shows me a customer service, or how they value their potential customers. I'm not going to get into details which because I'm planning to do a test printing. I have garments for both of the samples. The transfers I have, I'm going to use them. I'm going to try each of them, which I'm going to record the whole thing, and I hope I'm going to upload it without any editing. I don't really want to get into that, and I just want to leave it as it is, because I believe that's going to be a funny story. Me totally doing this the first time, I think is going to be hilarious, and a lot of swearing, I think so. But so the plan is that do the test printing, then also By the time I'm going to be preparing myself more about what's different in cost, because I think even though Supa Colour really got to my heart, I think they really do well the customer service, and they're trying to win more and more customers to themselves, and that is, I think, really good. And I have to watch closer this kind of behaviors and learn from them. But I think I will start with target transfers. I believe and I really hope the quality is going to be same or even maybe better, which we're going to see in the video when I'm testing the samples. But I think the only negative is Supa Colour, and that's the biggest positive thing for me in target transfers is I can gang sheet. And the fact that I'm not doing the transfers for myself at this moment because of budget, and I might come out, and probably I will come out in the less money if I'm doing it myself. But the budget, I mean, to buy vinyl cutter, to buy printers, so that will cost me like 500 or even more pounds for be able to print my own designs. And for the moment I can outsource that. Probably I have to pay for it, so it means that my profit is going to be less in each garment, but obviously we're going for profit. Yeah, business is always about profit, but for me, I just want to get out. I want to share the message I believe in so much that those couple of pounds, it doesn't matter to me. I'm going to have profit anyway, and I'm not doing this for money. Actually, I'm not, and I'm telling you this with the biggest honesty from my heart. I am not doing this for money. I believe it will help me financially, if not changing my life, but this is not for money to me. And I know that's why I'm not going to fail. Anyways, that's another video can be, which I have so many options for other videos, don't I? But yeah, the gang sheeting is very, very important at this moment, at this the period of the business and the brand as it coming along. But as I said, I have already many calculations to see the difference, which one worth it more, pardon me, and which one is the best to use right now in financial wise. I have such a calculation spreadsheets worked out, which I'm going to share some of the figures and details if you're interested, so it can help me to choose the best ones. I'm not saying I ain't gonna use Supa Colour ever, but I think they could come up with some kind of gang sheet options, because then I don't think I would think twice. But anyways, this video is going to be a way shorter video than before, but as I promised in previous videos, I'm going to document every bigger step definitely in Seven Wonders Designs life, because so I really hope you are enjoying your day, morning or evening, wherever or whenever you are watching this video. And do not forget to share your thoughts, even if you had some kind of relationship with any of these companies, or if you have other recommendation, please do not hesitate to share it with me. Also, would be lovely and beautiful that if you support your girl and like and share these videos or any other videos you resonated or liked in any ways. And also do not forget to subscribe because I don't want you to miss any videos that will come in the future. And also do not miss the date of launching. So have a beautiful day. I'm out. Peace and love, Miti.